Hi, I'm Carla with Wiz-Tec Computing. Today I'll be going over some basic operations on iPOS to help you get started with your new system, or just to give you a refresher on what to do. So let's get started. Today I'll be showing you how to add vendor and charge accounts to your iPOS back office. So let's do charge accounts first. To do this, you need to go to the Charge Account tab on the top of your menu just right here. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see the list of all the charge accounts currently in your system, and you'll be able to add or remove accounts. So let's add a charge account. To do this, you just need to click on the New button with the plus sign, just right here, and you'll be able to input the account information to your right. Under Account Number, you can set any number you'd like to give the account, as long as it's not taken by an account that's already in your system. So for this example, I'll use account number 12345. You can also give the account an alternate number, but I will not at this time, and I'll simply write 12345 again. The name of the account will be test account. And then you need to choose whether the account is active or not. Active simply means that you are actively putting charges onto the account, so we'll choose yes. You can give the account an optional expiry date. I will not at this time, and you need to choose whether or not it is a vendor account and whether or not it is tax exempt. This is not a vendor account, and I will choose to make it not tax exempt. You can also add questions for the account holder to answer upon a transaction, and you simply need to use the question numbers on the right hand side here. So I want them to answer both the name and the number, so I will choose questions 1 and 2. The max sale amount is the maximum they can buy per transaction. We'll set that amount to 500. And the credit limit is the limit on their entire account, so we'll set that to 5,000. When there are transactions on the account, you'll be able to see the balance in the balance box. You can also add the address of your customer or any other notes that you want to add. To create the account, you simply need to press the Save button, just right here with the check mark. And there you go. The charge account has been added. Now onto vendor accounts. To make a new vendor account, you simply need to click on the Vendor tab at the top of your menu, just right here. It is essentially the same process as before, with a few exceptions. You'll be able to see all your vendors in the system currently and add or remove accounts as you need. To add a new account, you simply need to press the New button with the plus sign again and fill in the information on the right side. Give the account whatever account number you'd like to enter, as long as it's not taken by another account on the left hand side here. So we'll give this account number 100. For the name, I'll simply use Coca-Cola as an example. You'll need to select No for active, since this is not a charge account and you're not actively putting a balance on there. You then need to select Yes on vendor account, since this is a receiving account and it is from a vendor. And I will choose No for tax exempt because Coca-Cola is not a tax exempt company. The expiry date is optional as well for these accounts, so you don't need to add one. And the questions are optional, but I will make the cashier input questions 1 and 2 whenever they receive something from this vendor. You can leave the max sale amount and credit limit blank, since there are no charges going onto this account. And you can choose whether it is ITE exempt. ITE exempt and Gov host ID are fields you would fill in if the vendor is giving you tax exempt products such as fuel or tobacco. Since Coca-Cola is not an ITE vendor, we will leave those fields blank and click on the Save button to finalize the vendor account and enter it into the system. As you can see, we can now see the Coca-Cola account on the left side with our account list. And that's it. To see more tutorials on iPOS operations, check out the iPOS Basics playlist on our channel. Thanks for watching.